What's up, Barefoot Nation? I have a great video for you today. It's going to be a little different, but I'm going to be unboxing my new plants, my plant haul from Plant Delights Nursery. Are you guys curious what I got?
Without any further ado, let's see what I got in the box. Now, forgive me, I'm a bit dirty because I've been working on the koi pond. You guys will be seeing those videos before too long. But I figured I'd give you a bit of a plant haul, which I've never done before on this channel. First thing in this big tall box that you can see here, as you can see, Plant Delights does a fantastic job putting all kinds of different carriers and plastic in their boxes to make sure that the plants don't rattle around. Now, you get a plant care guide with every order from PDN, showing different sizes of pots, and they got a good sense of humor. I like Plant Delights. And of course, their plants are fantastic. So, this guy is a hardy Trachycarpus fortunei, aka windmill palm, and it's supposed to be, this is the Bulgaria form, which is one of the hardiest of the Trachycarpus. And as you can see, it kind of sprung out. Believe it or not, I was shocked. I did pre-open this, but I was shocked how big this plant is for being in such a little container. So, you guys can see that PDN does a good job with packing. This palm is absolutely full in its pot, and one of the first things I'm gonna do is repot this guy. You can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but I am doing this indoors, so I'm gonna have to be careful as far as the dirt is concerned. However, you can see that bulge there maybe. This guy is very root bound. That's actually all that was in that box there. Next, I've got several things in this box that you guys might be intrigued by. So you'll notice that orders from Plant Delights come in these cool carry cases. Now, one of the things that's supposed to do, not so much in this case, but it's supposed to keep everything from rattling around too much. Now, the two plants that are in this side are, there's a palm and a ginger. So, I'm actually really impressed with the size of this palm. This is a sable minor, hardy sable minor. McCurtain is the cultivar, so it's gonna have a bluish cast to the leaves, and it's supposed to be the hardiest palm tree in the world, maybe with the exception of the needle palm, but sable minor is gonna be the hardiest palm in the world. And it's more than just it is still a seedling, but it's definitely got a good start to this plant. Next, guys, you'll see I ordered an awesome variety of hardy ginger. So, believe it or not, there is ginger that will grow in zone 6, maybe even in zone 5. And that's this guy right here. So the variety name, or the species of it, is Zingiber. So the species here is Zingiber myoga. So if you guys have ever seen an Alpinia ginger, and you know that striped variegation, you can kind of see the remnants of it right here. This is Zingiber myoga Silver Arrow. And these gingers, believe it or not, like shade. So what's cool is in spring it starts off with pinstripe variegation, and apparently in heat, it fades. Now in the northeastern United States, chances are any plant like the African gold calla lily or anything that fades in intense heat likely isn't going to, because the Northeast in general doesn't get very hot summers. So this is the Silver Arrow. And there's 3 more plants that I have to show you guys. So when you order from PDN, you're gonna have to take these little tabs and pop them out. And that's just another precaution that they take to keep the plants from moving around too much. Now, the first plant out of this bunch is a type of elephant ear called lemonade. If you guys are familiar with Colocasia limeade, this is a similar variety, actually a sport off of that plant, and they called it lemonade because it didn't have any of the dark green splotches. Very much so, this guy resembles Colocasia elena. Also, you can see here I got another cultivar of hardy ginger that I'm really excited about. This is Zingiber myoga white feather. And now this is a smaller plant, but I'm okay with it. And this is the reverse variegation of the more common dancing crane ginger. I tend to find this variegation a little bit more appealing. Zingiber myoga white feather. And the last plant is a native plant, besides the sable minor, to the United States. This last plant here is very cool. If you guys are from the Northeast, then you may have heard of sensitive fern. Well, this guy is a giant sensitive fern. Instead of growing 1 to 2 feet tall, this guy is gonna grow 3 feet tall. And I can't wait to plant this guy in my waterfall filter.
I just wanted to show you guys just how quickly and amazing this native sensitive fern is. They grow incredibly fast. You can see and hear that we are in fact right above my new completed waterfall. So guys, I can't wait to show you this project later on in the summer. So stay tuned for all of the Water Feature Build series videos to come. Alright guys, hopefully you saw a couple plants in this video that you like and that you might grow in your own garden. Don't forget to drop a like if you liked it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. And don't forget to leave a comment as well. I'd love to hear from you guys. Alright, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.